Hello, the machine is ready. We're testing it now. After testing, we will clean it and pack them. Okay, so because there is a transformer inside, so we made this part bigger to make sure the transformer can be installed inside and keep you safe. Okay, so this is the control center. This one is a display panel. There is no need to revise any parameters because we have set it up already. Okay, and this is the power switch and this is the heat switch. We will stick label later. Okay, so first of all we need to turn on the machine and wait the number to be normal. Okay, like this. Okay, after that we can set up the temperature such as, first of all we need to press the set and confirm the number here, plus plus minus minus, see, and also we can change this one as well. Okay, after we set up the temperature we can press set again to confirm it. It's the same operation for this one as well because we have two heating. One is for, we have two temperature temperature sensor. One is for detect the temperature of the wax and another one is detect the temperature of the heating element. So we have two indicator here. Okay, and after we set up the temperature we can turn on the heating function. You see, after you turn on, this number changes, which means it's heating now. Okay, now we say 37. Okay, let's go around the machine. The machine is 110 voltage for this melter, and this filler and the mixer, they are 220 voltage. They must plug to this socket to use. Okay, they need to be used together. Do not use this melter to your power directly. Plug it into this one. Okay, so this is the mixer. Mixer speed can be adjusted. First of all, please make sure the wet part is under 0, you see, and then we can turn it on and change it a little bit. You see, it's running. Okay. Okay, in case of any bubbles you can turn it slower. The mixer can make sure the heating faster, melted faster. Okay, it's movable, we can take it out. Okay, and we have a sensor here. You see, this is a temperature sensor. It must be put inside the tank to detect the temperature of your material. Okay. Okay. So this is the double pump filler. First of all, we need to turn it on. Wait a minute. Okay. And then we need to choose the English. Okay. On the PLC touch screen, we have a temperature screen. This is for heating the pump, you see. We need to set up the temperature first. Now it's 70. And then we can turn this on to make sure the pump is heating. And this will be very hot after heated. Please do not touch it, okay? Okay, so this bar is red, you see. The temperature is rising. It's very fast and very hot. Please be careful with this part. Okay, so that's the temperature screen. This fill output, it can count for us how many pieces we have made. The collect time means the time for filling one jar. There is no need to revise this part. It's automatic, okay? And this filling, your jar is 4 ounce, right? This is by ml, okay? And the interval time means the time between two fillings. At the beginning, you can set it up at 2 seconds or 3 seconds. After you get familiar with this machine, you can set it up at 1 second, okay? And we have out mode and manual mode. See, under manual mode, it will you press one time, it will fill one time, and under out mode, it can fill the setting volume and stop for 2 seconds and fill another setting volume, like that, automatically filling. Okay, so this manual, we can press it again. This one is for testing the machine. You know, when you receive the machine, you're not sure if the pump is working. You can use this function to press it all the time. You see the pump is running. Okay. So the parameter, this one we can adjust the filling speed. When we fill different sizes of jars, we need different filling speed, right? For for example, if we fill the smaller jar, if we use a very powerful speed, it will split out. So we need to adjust the speed according to your jar sizes. Okay, this program on and program stop is for start and stop the function. As well, we can use this remote controller to start and stop as well. Okay, now after we set it all up, and we can use the out mode, and please remember to turn this to co-rotation and this too. Okay, and we can press it. You see, the pump is running. We collect. Okay, another filling. Okay, and we can stop at any time. Just at any time you want, if in case of any emergency. Press the B. Okay, it stopped. Okay. So after you finish your filling work, we need to empty the pump and the nozzles. So we need to press here and press to manual mode first, and then we press here to reversal. Okay, the pump is running. It's turning. It's pumping the material back into the tank. Okay. Okay. After it's emptied, we can turn off the machine. Okay. So these two pumps can be controlled separately, which means we can just use one pump and stop the other one. But when you use both of them together, you must make sure they are the same volume, same filling volume, and same fill speed. Okay. Okay, so that will be all for this operation of this machine. If you have any questions, you can find me anytime. Okay.